In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save drafts on eBay for quicker listing, a perfect method to streamline your selling process and make your life a little easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account, which you can easily do by heading to eBay and entering your credentials. This allows you access to your selling dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate over to My eBay. Under this section, find and select Selling followed by Listings. This is where you'll start creating your new listing. Clicking Create a Listing will open up a new form where you can begin adding the details of the item you're planning to sell. Start with the item's title. Make sure it's descriptive and catchy, enough to grab the attention of potential buyers. Sometimes eBay will suggest existing listings that match what you're selling. You can either select one of these suggestions or choose to continue without a match if none of the options apply. Next up is selecting the condition of your item. Is it new, used, or refurbished? Specify this detail clearly, as this informs your buyers what exactly to expect upon purchase. The more accurate you are here, the fewer issues you'll likely have later on in the selling process. Now enter the basic details of your listing. Begin by ensuring the title is correct and the category is relevant to the product you're selling. You've previously selected the condition, so now you can consider adding photos. While these are optional when saving a draft, they're essential for the final listing since, as they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. If you have a set price in mind already, you can add it here as well. However, if you're still contemplating, it's fine to leave it out for now since this step is optional at this stage. Once you have your basic information down, scroll to find the Save for Later button, which you should notice either at the bottom left or top right of the page, depending on your interface. Clicking this button will save your draft, allowing you to return to it whenever you need to complete the listing process. To get back to your draft at a later date, simply return to My eBay. Under Selling, this time select Listings followed by Drafts. Here you'll find all your saved drafts waiting for you. That's it, a straightforward process to save you time and make your eBay selling experience a breeze. Thanks for joining me and happy selling.